Alright, worked example 9. We need to find the simple interest and the amount at the end of the term. So first thing I would do is list out what we have. Our principal is 12,000. The interest is 9.5%, which is 0.095 as a decimal, and N is 5 years. Next, we're just going to put this into our simple interest formula to find interest. So 12,000 times 0.095 times 5. And then do that on our calculator. That's $5,700. Then our amount is our principal plus interest. So 12,000 plus 5,700. I'm just going to double check that with the calculator. 17,700 is our answer. For part B, it's going to be the same thing, but this time principal is 2,500, interest rate is 4.5%, which when we divide that by 100 is 0.045, and N is 3 months, but we need it in years, so we're going to put that over 12, and 3 over 12 is the same as 1 over 4, which is 0.25. Then again, put it into our simple interest formula, so that's 2,500 times 0.045 times 0.25. Put that into our calculator, hit equals, and that will be our answer for that question. That's 28.125 in interest. Our amount is going to be principal plus interest. So 2,500 plus $28.12, which gives us $2,528.12. Alright, example 10. A bank offers 9% simple interest on an investment. At the end of 4 years, the interest earned was $215. How much was invested? So immediately, we're trying to find our p-value. So we know that your I value is 9%, 0.09. N is 4 years, and capital I is 215. So again, if we rewrite our formula, when we rearrange for P, we just divide both sides by IN and we get this formula. So then it's 215 divided by 4 times 0.09. Again, put that into the calculator, hit equals, and that's our answer. And that's $597.22 was invested. work example 11. It says 720 was invested. That's immediately our p-value. We know that n is 36 months, so we got to divide that by 12 to get it into years, which is 3, and $205 simple interest was earned. Calculate the yearly interest rate. So we're trying to find R, or I in this case. So again, I equals PIN, lowercase I is P, no, it's I divided by PN, so 205.20. I'm going to divide that by p-value 720 times 3. Again, put it into your calculator. I would recommend, instead of using the division symbol, if you put it into your calculator as a fraction and write down exactly what I've got there, you can't go wrong. And that's 0.095. Then we need to multiply this by 100 to make it a decimal. A percentage. And that's 9.9%. Alright, worked example 12. Determine how long. So immediately we're trying to find our n value. And $86.70 in interest, so that's capital I. That means our next money value will be principal, $255, and a rate of 8.5% per annum, which when we divide it by 100 is 0.085. So again, equals PIN. That means n will be I divided by PI. Our I value is 86.70, and we're going to divide that by 255 times 0.085. Again, use the fraction symbol to put this in on your calculator exactly as we've got it written. And that gives us 4. So that's 4 years. N is 4 years.